Hello all, welcome to our channel. This is regarding for any Google My Business, how to adding for your particular website. Suppose I'm using for brand pages, a number of brands are here. I'm using for blog pages. When I'm clicking for blogs, I have to show my map will be in my blog pages itself. There is a purpose. Search our map will be into the Google itself. After this one, go to the maps. What are the maps you have? Click the map will be here. So check the every details are correct or not. Website everything is correct. Click for share option. There is a option will show will be two option. End link and share link. Select the embed link, copy the embed link and keep it on your particular Word document or notepad. But Word document is preferable. Why? Because embed map main reason we can change will be proper width and height purpose. So any website updating Google Map purpose, width always use for the 100%. After this one, which page? In my blog pages, all pages I can add by the Google Maps. Suppose I click here, nothing map is there. How to add it? Go to cPanel, click for File Manager, Application, Views. What is the our blog info page? How to know is a blog info page? See this blog info. That you can select it will be here. After this one, where you can add the particular option will be here. So here is the slider. Slider nothing but they can visible will be like this, and the content will be here. So we can go with option will be here. Add with the division. Add your content. Click for save changes. After this one, refresh it. Your map will be fulfill will be done here. But is affected by your slider. So that is the purpose where you can do the mistake. Complete division will be selected here and upload will be in between the division. Save changes and refresh. Slider will be not affected. Will scroll down will be here. Map will show to customer. What is the reason for that? Easily capture the your map and they connect with your option. After that, services. Same like what are services you have? So click here. There will be service info. Same like that. Code will be does not change. What are the code you have? Copy the same code. We can go to this one. Just you can one page. All pages will be arranged will be here. So first of all, blog info where I'm adding here. Same content. Copy as usual. Copy. Click for service info page. Edit it. Same like what are the division you have. Copy it. Previous no map is there. Now is a map. And don't affect it by your sliders. That is the most important. And service areas, same like that. Click here. Service area info. So where is the service areas info will be here. That you can go to here is the option. So is the service areas. We can go with the here is option. What the URL will be here. Info is this particular option will be here. So what are those? Click here. This all will be common point. So everything will be properly designed. Is the service is done. What we do? Click this info to. This will be pages will be statically created here. So that is called we can't change this particular option. So there is we can go with the another page you selected will be here and add the particular option. So it is completely different. So they will be adding for developers as usual, adding the your particular Google My Business application. So right now I go to brands, click for brand info. Same like that. What are this? Click here. Where the content will be added here and save changes. Which map will be not suitable to add will be here. You can give to developers. They can add to the your particular developing portal. So you can support will be here. Click for the support. So we can go simple. We can go with option name here. Support. Click this. We know the one common point is there. That is called we can using will be here. What is the common point is called index.php. In this common point, what is the header, what is the footer, everything will be shown to the particular customer. If you come into this particular footer option, we can add by the option will be here, but we can add by individual pages. Why? Because we can getting some idea purpose. So click here and do this particular map will be added. So same like that, each and every map add your particular Google Map location. They will get notification on your particular location will be easily identify your particular things. So it's compulsory add your location each and every website, each page. So easily we can crack our Google Map location. If any further doubts, ask me to my channel. Definitely will be support you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.